Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Krishna Public School. How are you? I hope you will be fine here. Then student, today we will discuss about tenses. As you know children, tenses has three types: present simple, simple past and simple future. That's why our life is also depend upon the periods. So that's why according to the periods, the each tenses is divided into four groups: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Suppose we can take our example simple present. So then simple present, present continuous tense, perfect continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. These are the four category of each sentences. Suppose you can take past sentence, ठीक है, past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Fine, same as future. So then firstly we will discuss about simple present tense. This tense is used to describe an action, habit, or facts that are generally true and occur in the present time. सिंपल प्रेजेंट चिल्ड्रन, जो वर्क हमारा प्रेजेंट में हम कर रहे हैं, जो एक्शन हम प्रेजेंट में कर रहे हैं, उसको डिस्क्राइब करता है वो हमारे प्रेजेंट टाइम के एक्शन के लिए. ओके, that is called present simple. Present simple, we can take examples. Suppose walk, visit, work. तो that walk, चलना, move करना, that is also go with the present simple verbs. Fine. So then when we will take the structure or formula. Firstly, we will use to solve out the sentence. We will use subject plus verb in the first form. Okay. Then the first form of the verb will be used, like walk, works. Work will use for the plural and walks we will use for the singular. Second, visit, visits, work, works, go, goes. Now take an example in the sentences. I walk to work every morning. Here you can see walk is the first form of the work. That's why it is a simple present tense. Fine. Anna visits the town center every weekend. Next, she works as a teaching assistant in a school. Fine. Now, next is present perfect. Present perfect means so many times we have used in the sentences according to the time period. So that's why this sentence is used to describe an action that has taken place once many times before now. ओके, कभी कभी हम जब अपने डेली लाइफ में सेंटेंसेस यूज़ करते हैं एक्शन के तौर पर, तो वो किस तरह कहलाते हैं कि जैसे वर्क ख़त्म हो चुका है. फाइन, इट हैज़ बीन कंप्लीटेड नाउ. तो देन वी हैव टू टेक द फॉर्मूला और स्ट्रक्चर. फर्स्टली सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज़ और हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट. इफ सब्जेक्ट will be in singular form, that will use has, and if the subject is in plural form we will use have. Fine, let's take some example. And one thing remember children, always use third form of the verb, that is called past participle. I have walked to school every day. Here you can see we have used have because I stand for always have. Fine. And use third form of the verb we have used here, that is walked. In second sentence, they have traveled to China twice. Fine. Here you can see plural word is used they. So that plural pronouns have traveled with the past participle with has. Stacy has worked as a teaching assistant for 3 years now. Fine. Now, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe an action that is on going on, but it is not the complete. जो सेंटेंस, जो वर्क, जो एक्शन हम अपने डेली लाइफ में प्रेजेंट में कर रहे हैं बट वो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, इट इज़ नॉट कंप्लीट येट नाउ, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. वी विल यूज आई फॉर एम, singular person for is, and for plural r will be used, like I stand for am, he, she, it stand for he is, we, you, are stand for are. Now example are, it is snowing outside. Here you can see it is a singular person, that is will be used plus ing in the main verb, because this formula subject plus is or am according to the subject plus verb included ing. Okay. Then second, I am studying for my exams. I am always stand for the I. So that study is the main verb. So then ing will be used with the main verb. She is eating her lunch. Fine. Here are the some example of present continuous tense. Next is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous is used to describe an experience or an action that started in the past और स्टिल कंटिन्यू टिल द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. जब तक हमारा कोई वर्क कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाता है और वो दैट इज़ पास्ट. जैसे कि आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग फॉर 3 hours नाउ, मैं 3 hours से स्टडी कर रहा हूँ, बट वी डोंट नो अबाउट द फिक्स टाइमिंग ऑफ द 3 hours. मे बी द पीरियड ऑफ द इवनिंग, maybe at night, maybe in the afternoon, maybe in the morning. So suppose this time is not exact time, that we will use has been, have been with the verb ing included. Fine. They have been living in the same house since 1999. अब कह रहे we have to use it is the confirmed time in the sentence. Why? Because we can see time period is shown in the sentences and it is a fixed period. So then we can say present perfect continuous tense is here. It has been snowing all the morning. On the morning, all the morning means it is a fixed time from morning. The snowing is going on. Fine. That's you can say it is a simple present perfect continuous. Now let's start only the continuous tense. Continuous tense in the present, in the past or in the future. In the continuous tense, the verb phrase indicates an ongoing or incomplete action in the past, present or future. Continuous tense indicate करती है कि जो वर्क हमारा इनकम्प्लीट है बट स्टिल इज इज गोइंग ऑन, लेकिन हम उस काम को फिर भी कर रहे हैं. ऑल कंटिन्यूस टेंस आर फॉर्म्ड विद अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. जो सभी कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस हैं वो हमारे हेल्पिंग वर्ब से ही कंप्लीट होंगे. हेल्पिंग वर्ब मीन्स मेन वर्ब प्लस हैविंग ing फॉर्म इंक्लूडेड इन द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. Helping verb is there in present continuous tense is rm plus ing in the verbs. That is the structure to solve out the sentences. The present continuous tense indicate an action that is going on at the time of speaking or writing. Suppose she is jumping. We are jumping. I am jumping. Here you can see is or am is used according to the subject and we have to add ing in the main verb. That's why present continuous tense will be here. The verb phrase in the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense was and were. We will add ing in the verb. Past means बेटा जो बीत चुका but still वो काम हमने खत्म कर लिया था. The past continuous tense indicate an action that was going in the past, like she was jumping, we were jumping, I am jumping. Here you can see use of was or were will indicate the past category. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense indicate an action that will be going in the future or certain to happen in the future. Future means आने वाला टाइम पीरियड. क्या हम करेंगे? अनफिनिश्ड वर्क यू कैन से. जिस टाइम पीरियड को में हम अपने वर्क को कंप्लीट करेंगे फॉर टुमारो, दैट इज future continuous tense. Future continuous tense, we can take example here. They will be going to the garden. I will be going with them. She will be coming too. Future continuous tense means they will be and shall be used in the future continuous tense, and ing always will be included with the verbs. Fine. So thence present continuous tense will be dependent into the past, present or future. Fine. Here are the summary of these examples. The past continuous tense is form of the present tense of the verb be and the present participle ing of the verb. First, I stand for am, he, she, it stand for is, plus you, we, they stand for are, and all will be categorized by the verb ing. Fine. We use the present continuous tense to talk about the something that is happening at the moment of speaking. जो हम बोल रहे हैं, that's why we are doing this, but it is not completed yet. Fine. And second, you can say it also depend on the situation of the work. Or you can say situation of the action. We frequently use the present continuous to speak about प्लान फ्यूचर एक्शंस. जब हम फ्यूचर में प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में वर्क करते हैं तो वो हमारा फ्यूचर पर भी डिपेंड करता है. फाइन. दैट इज ऑल्सो प्लानिंग फॉर द फ्यूचर बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट कंप्लीटेड द वर्क. हियर आर सम एग्जाम्पल लाइक यू आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश नाउ. आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड माई डिक्शनरी. I am trying to find my dictionary. It's always raining in New Orleans. So here you can say that if the short form will be used, that it is also indicate the present continuous tense. Jani is going to school with her little sister. He is reading a book at a moment. Tom is feeling much better now. We are watching television. Here you can say plural person are there, so we will use are, okay, with the subject. They are swimming in the pool. My son is playing video game in his room right now. I hope student you will be understand about the present continuous tense. Fine. We will meet again with on tomorrow with the new video. Okay, the same topic. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.